Happy Thursday, guys. CPI data came 8:30 a.m. Eastern, and look what happened. We got a drop now. Inflation is higher than expected. The readings came higher, so we're down almost 0.5%. On S&P 500, on Nasdaq, we are down. These are 1 minute candles. We are down almost 0.5%. And you can see across the board we had a dump. Bitcoin surprisingly did not drop that much. We only dropped like 0.36%. Gold, now it's dumping. So from the top here, we dropped around 0.39%. Anyhow, let's bring back our indicator and let's look at the levels. It's not that bad. S&P 500 now in the neutral zone, right where it should be. You can see it was in the sell zone from last couple of days, and now it's consolidating near neutral zone, which is very good. If you ask me, because it's good that we're going into buy zone and neutral zone, that gives an opportunity to go higher again. All right. So again, anyhow, so look at the zones here. 43.75 is where S&P 500, US 500 futures are right now. If they come back to 43.55, that's a good area to buy. And Nasdaq 100, same thing. They are in neutral zone around 15.230, and if they go back to around 15.146, that's also a good area to buy. All right. So from the neutral zone, it's around 0.5%. So overall, they are up, they're down minus 0.15% as of now. So from here, if they go down around 0.67%, then that's a good area to buy. So keep these levels in mind and trade accordingly. US 30, Dow Jones is also near neutral zone, so no trade zone. And Russell 2000 also in the neutral zone. All right. And the levels on triple Qs pre-market, from here it can go to neutral zone. So if we correlate with US 100, it can go 0.67%. So keep an eye on 368.7. This is the level you want to buy. If you're waiting to buy, you'll wait for 368.7, or worst best case is 365.8, 366, let's say. Okay, these are the two levels to buy on triple Qs. On SPY, the levels are 434 buy here, or the best case, I think there's a gap here, 432. Let's quickly look into that and see if that gap is filled or not. Let me hide these lines. So you can see this gap is still not filled. So it is quite possible we can come down. You can see this gap, little gap here. It is quite possible we can come down to fill this gap. And if we do come down from here, from the close, that gap will be around 0.89%, which is not very good. All right. But that will be good area to buy. Yeah. Okay. So let's go back to the levels. Let's go back to our extended hours. Let me bring it back here. So you can see here, extended hours training. So you can see now here, let's keep going. Gold is now in the neutral zone. If it comes back to around 1866, look to buy here. So gold will be nicely in the buy zone around 1866. And then silver is also near neutral zone. Natural gas, after a couple of days of massive pump, came near buy zone, still a little bit far, 3.42 and below, look to buy. Crude oil massively pumping, going near sell zone, 84.2 and up, look to sell. Dollar index, massive pump coming to the buy zone, and you can see from buy zone is pumping. The good news is it's in the sell zone, so it should be dumping from here, and that will be good for stocks and gold and Bitcoin. Bitcoin here you can see still in the buy zone. You can look to buy Bitcoin here around 26,770, and Ethereum is also in the buy zone. 1550 is where you should be looking to buy Ethereum. All the stocks, let's quickly look at Tesla pre-market, just 259 and below, look to buy. Everything else is in the sell zone. Probably Netflix is also in the buy zone. You can see pre-market, and yesterday we also came in the buy zone. Very good time to buy Netflix in my opinion. And from here we can get a massive Q4 pump. Earnings are coming very soon as well. Everything else is near sell zone. You can see NVDA, AMD. AMD is near neutral zone. Hang Seng Index, let's quickly look at that. That's also near sell zone. Commodities, copper in near buy zone. Palladium, a little bit higher, 1138 is where you want to buy. Wheat coming near buy zone. Corn in the neutral zone. Soya beans in coming near buy zone. Sugar is also coming near buy zone. All right, gold miners are near sell zone, massive pump. This gap is filled pre-market, but now it's going down with the stocks and sector after CPI data. And just quickly scanning through, nothing interesting happening pre-market. Again, going back to the levels here, S&P 500 near neutral zone. Nasdaq is also coming near neutral zone. All right, guys, good luck. Bye.